Screen. 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 Okay, I think I am live now. So live caption is ready. Okay. Yeah. Window. Okay. Uh, I think everything looks fine and I can hear my voice. Let me just turning off my phone, removing my earplugs. I don't need them anymore. Hey, what's up, guys? This is George Shamon. Uh, this live stream was overdue. I was postponing it because I had some technical issues. I wasn't able to set up OBS, the new version, the version 30. I think it was very difficult. Then I tried it yesterday, it didn't work. And I found out later on that I can run on using YouTube directly, using the dashboard on YouTube, using a webcam and a microphone. So here I am. I want to welcome you to this live stream, whether you're on now or later on. I want to thank you for attending. This is George Shamon. In this video, as the thumbnail states, I'm going to be setting up a web page on my website without coding. And during the process, I'm going to show you how to use a website builder. If you are new to website building and web design and web development, and you want to make your own site, or even if you need some help, let me know. But you'll know how easy or how difficult it is. So let me go to my website first. This is my website. So I want to add a web page, and it's gonna be under. I'm gonna make it under courses here, under this one here. So or make another one work with me under this one here. Okay, so I set up the web page. I'm gonna hold an online live workshop how to use a website builder. It's gonna be in a upcoming in the next couple 2 weeks, and I set it up as of now for Tuesday, March 19th. So I have it here, and I can show you how it looks like. It's text based, the information title, the information what it is, and then the event information, date, and what it is, and how much it is, and everything, and what I'm gonna be covering in bullet points here. There's 6 points. So I'm gonna add this to my website, and using the website builder, there's no code, and I can't show you both screens. So I'm gonna show you the left side screen, and I'm gonna be looking at my right screen here, and I'm gonna copy and paste what I showed you now to the website. So, but the main intention of this video is to show you how easy it is to use a website builder after you get used to it. So first I have to log into my web hosting account, and the way I do it, I'm using Hostinger, hostinger.com. So I go here to log in, and using my credential, I'm gonna log in, and then I'm using a two-factor authentication. So I'm gonna get a code in my email. I have to plug it in to be able to log into my web hosting account, and that takes a couple seconds to receive. Okay, I have it here. 583069. Verify. Okay, this is the back end or the dashboard, the control panel. They call it H panel in Hostinger. And this is my website here. And the way I edit it or add, make changes, I go to websites here and edit or manage website. And this is, even though I'm making some changes or adding the web page, the website is still live online. You can check it now, even though I am in the back end working, and I can check here. So it's right here. It's not interrupted or disconnected from the online connection. So, okay, so I'm gonna go here, and it says blog plus. Okay, so I go down to where it says pages and navigation, and then I'm gonna add a page. And as I said, maybe I'll use work with me. No, actually, let's give it a separate or under courses here, under courses. So I'm gonna add plus. No, that's not what we use here. Pages. Okay, add a page. So I want to add a page. I just hit the plus button here, and it's gonna be a new empty page. And I'm gonna give it a name in navigation. I'm gonna call it workshop, workshop, and then the page URL. It means how it's gonna be on the and the navigation. The name, that's the name of the page actually. So gonna give it a name online. Let's do this again. Add new. Here is the full URL page. Okay, I don't think I have to type anything here. I'll just type the URL name here, which is online. live workshop, and that's how it's gonna appear in a navigation like those the about. So I'll give it a name workshop only. I'm not gonna. It's right here. Edit it again. So new setting. Alright, so online live work workshop. Page URL is, you know what, I can just leave it workshop. It looks like it's not allowing me to do. I don't even know how to add more like live online. So let's save it. Save. Okay, so it's right here. So I'm gonna remove this. Remove this one here. Delete. Okay, so this is my web page, the one I made, the workshop. So now we can add some sections and some information like text. So, and the way we do it, if you notice on the right side here, it says website builder, and I am at the workshop page that I just created. And this is the footer. It's common to every page on the website. So what we do, we add elements. So the first element we add is the section. We add section, then inside the section elements, and that's why it says here, add sections. So if you look at my the page I made in Google Documents, so it's right here. So basically, this is all one section. I can use one section for the whole page, and then I can add paragraphs and text boxes. So let's try that. I mean, we have options here. We can have more than one section, like one section. It depends how you want to divide it, but I'm gonna add it in one section because it's all text. So it's simple. That's what I want to say. So add text, add the section, and then, okay, it looks like we should divide it. So it says headline, the headline. So let's give it a headline here. Oh, it gives you like certain formats, but I want to make it as simple as I can. I'm gonna add the text boxes. Okay, so add a blank section. Okay, so we added a section here, and we can add some boxes here. Let's see, add element. Okay, so I'm gonna add text, and this is the text here. Add text. So I'm gonna give it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe six boxes. 6 boxes, because I'm gonna change the size of the text. So if you notice, once you click on it, it will allow you to align it on a page. Once you click on it, you can see those grid element when you start expanding the box here. So And when you click on it, you can raise it, you can move it around, and you can align it. So it's aligned now. So this will be the title. So the title will be, it's gonna be this one here. How to set up a simple website using low code, no code. So this is the title here. Okay. So okay, it keeps the same format, copy and paste. I thought it's gonna lose format. So let's see. Yeah, let's keep it this way, and I'm gonna align it to the middle. It's the title, align. And what I can do if I want, I can expand it. If I want to make it, less than, less lines, you can expand it like this. So let's keep it this way, 2 lines. Okay, the second one is, okay, so let's add another text here. I'm gonna do this. Okay, so I have to hit edit text to be able to edit it. You can't just start typing in a box. That's what it is. Okay. So what I'm gonna do with this, I'm gonna make it 2 lines. I'm gonna make it, okay, so we've been using the Arial, I think, the Arial, or let's make it bold. Let's see this, what we used on this one. Okay, we use this one here, bold. Okay, so I use the Cara, Karla, Carla. Um, Actually, the Arial. It has. No, it doesn't have. It doesn't have the Arial fonts. It looks like. Oh, let's use the PT San bold. Okay, now this one is good. Okay, so can I edit? So use the PT San bold. PT San bold, and we're gonna make it. I guess I have to highlight it. So okay, you have to highlight it so it updates. And we can make it smaller, maybe H4, because this is the subtitle. It should be smaller. Okay, so I'm gonna make this one here blue. Oh, all right. But we don't want it underlined. I don't know why it's keeping the underline, but it's okay. It's not. All right, so this one is done. Okay, now we can add the workshop information. So add text, and this is the information. Edit. All right. All right, we can try to align the box in the middle. All right. Make it bigger. And we're gonna put this in the middle. So if you want to make, you align a text, use this here, text alignment. And if you want it to be in the middle of the container, you use this. So, but it looks like there's an auto format here, like because I had the same font size, those details, and the workshop here details, but the title, it looks like the system wanted to be, I mean, auto updates it, but I like it to be bigger, a little bit bigger. So let me give it 18, 24, okay. And all right, so now we're gonna add the topics covered. Add text. So topics covered. Edit. Topics covered. Topics covered. Okay, so another box, add element text. Okay, now we can add what's covered. So what's covered? I have 6 points I want to go over, so I'm gonna copy them and paste. Here, edit. Paste. It looks like it didn't carry the format. I'm gonna let me try one by one. Okay. Let's try to add 6 boxes. Or one box, and we can copy and paste one by one. So let's see if this works. Okay, so the first topic, edit. Okay, it looks like it didn't carry the format. If you look here, let me show you. So that's how I want them. I want them colored, so it didn't carry the format. I guess I have to I have to color them each one. I mean, change the color for each one. So, and we're gonna give it H4, H4, H4. All right. Gonna align it in the middle. All right. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I can copy and paste it 6 times. Okay, duplicate. We can do a duplicate, duplicate. Okay, duplicate, duplicate. So, okay, I'm gonna change the test in a minute, and then we need 2 more. So if you notice, it may not be too easy as I thought, but you gotta get used to it. But it's still much easier than coding a page, because the coding, then you have to use, website coding like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and So give it some space. So this is what you call a website builder drag and drop. So this is meant for everyone to use it, even if you're not a web developer. So, okay, so we got the 6 points. Now we're gonna copy them. Domain registration. The second one is web hosting, web hosting, hosting. Then self hosted versus hosted websites. Let's make it bigger so it fits on one line. This way. Okay, we still have to change the numbers here. So let's give this number 2. Number 2. This will be number 3. This will be number 4. Edit text 4. And then gonna add website coding versus templates. Website coding versus templates. And we gonna give it one line. Okay. And Number 5, website builder. I am at it now. So this is the website builder. Website builder. Website builder. Okay. Number 6. Services I recommend. Services I recommend that I used in the past or are using now. Period. Recommend. Our recommend is E, not A. And let's make this bigger. A leaves 2 lines. Okay, we're almost done. So that's how it looks now. And we can give it some colors. So let's see this one here. Color picker. I still don't know how to pick the colors but let me see. Edit text. Okay, so we can give it a color, this one here. Okay, background, all right. So can I give it a background and then we can change the color. Let's see how to, okay, it's right here. Okay, so I want it to be this color. Yep, that's it. All right, now this one here, edit, background color, yes. Give it brown. This one maybe, yeah. Let's give it lighter color. Yep, that's it. Now this one is yellow. Background, yes. So this is how you change the background color. You go to the box and you activate the background colors. You see the circle here, and that's the current color, and you'll change it by clicking on it and you select. Now, if you have the hexadecimal codes of the colors, you can use this here. Let me see. Actually, this one here, you can add those here if you want to reuse them. So can I give it a yellow? Yellow. Lighter, lighter. Yep, that's how I want it. All right. The website coding versus template. This will have a background of a blue color. Background, blue color. Yep, that's it. And website builder, we're gonna give it a light red or pink, I think. Oh, I guess I have to highlight it. Okay. Background color, let's give it this. Yep, this one. That's what I'm looking for. So, and this will be this color, and this, but I wanted lighter. That's it. All right, so still have the click the link call to action if you want to save your spot, and it's gonna take you to a payment page. So let's add a box plus box. I don't want it here. I want it here. All right. Okay. So what am I doing? This here. Okay. All right. This is the save button, and which is the payment to you save and you pay. So edit text. Let's make it header 5. Actually, header 4. And use this here. To save your spot, click here. The middle, okay. Click here. And this is okay. This is the payment link. It's if you want to save your spot. So this is the page. I might add a video later on or a picture or something here, but I'm not gonna do it now. It's gonna take. The video is already long now, so let's see how it looks like. So if I do update website, you have to update it. If you don't update it, it's not gonna appear on the internet. So let me see here. Yeah, so now it's not appearing on. Let me show you. It doesn't show the workshop or the page because I didn't update yet. So I'm gonna move this on the side and update it. If you go up to update website, so I hit update, and you got this page. Website changes are published. It means published on the internet online. So let's see if how they appear here. So if I update, this is the internet now. This website is on the internet. So, and this is the workshop here. That's the page we created now. And if you click on it here, it's gonna show you the it looks fine, but let's see how it looks on a mobile. So let's see. What I like about this website builder, I'm sure others are the same. You can see how it looks like on mobile. You can preview it on a website and mobile. So, because in case it didn't look exactly the same on mobile, you might want to update it, and you can do that separate. You can update it on a mobile device for the mobile device and for the desktop. Now I'm doing it on a desktop. So if you look at the cellular here, you go to click this one. Okay, so this is how it's gonna appear on the mobile. If somebody is looking at the mobile device, the cell phone, this is how it's gonna look like. So so you go down and you look at it, and you may not like it exactly because it may not exactly look the same as the desktop. So it's almost the same, but excuse me, there's not enough space. You can give it some space. So let's do that. So first, we gonna move this. Okay, so I think it's, and we gonna move this a bit here, and this little bit, and this, and then, okay, I see you can expand this. Okay, so what you do, you just expand the section. It's the section, the container in question, and then you can move stuff in it around, like this one now. Just give it this one here, and this one here. Maybe more. I need more, so it's all right. This one here, this here, this here, this here, this here, and this one here. Yeah, it looks we need more space. Let's see. So these guys, you're doing this so easily on the in a website builder, drag and drop. If you want to do this in a coding like HTML, CSS, it's gonna be more difficult, much more difficult. It's gonna be a nightmare, to do these. And this is why those website builders are great for quick turnaround. You can make changes quickly. You can build a page quickly. So now this one took me almost half an hour. I had to prepare the text, but it didn't take me long, and I did it so easily. So okay, so this one should be okay. We can move those 5 and 6. Actually, yeah. So the 5 should be here, and the 6 should be below it, and the 3 should be before the 4. So let's see how it looks like now. Okay. More space here. This one is space, more space. And this one here. Let's align this to the middle. Edit. Middle. Okay, that's how I want it. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. Raise this a bit, raise this a bit, and raise this a bit. Okay, so now that's how it looks like on mobile. We don't need this lot of space here, lot of space here. It's good to give white space around the elements instead of cluttering the whole page. So this one here, yeah, so that's good. Yep, and this, yep, and this one is still here. Okay, so what we do now, we update the site. I think it updates, but I'm not sure 100% if it does it like automatically. I think so, but I always do update website. I hit this button here, update website. Okay, and then I go back to the desktop to see if it's still there. Everything is still looking good. Yeah, here it's still looking good. Going back to the cell, to the mobile. I should say mobile, not cell. Yeah, it looks good. That's it. So this one is done. Now what we gonna do, we gonna make sure the link is working. Let's go to the desktop. link, see, link. Okay, gotta click this one here. Yep, the link works, and we're gonna try it now. So update website. And then it gives you here a preview. You can preview it. So this is the preview mode, how it looks on the internet, you know. This is the web page here, and this is the mobile version, how it looks on your phone. And this is the mobile navigation bar here. So, and if we click on this to make sure it works, yep, that's it. It works. This is how people will pay. And folks, it's only $10 US dollars. So if you want to join, let's read the details about it here. So, all right. So, but you know, I wanna. So this is how you preview it. And also, if you wanna go back to the editor to make some changes, you go up to the left side. You go on back to editor, and you can do the editing. I think I'm gonna remove this. There is no need for it, because how I made my website, there is no need to add this one here, I think, you know. So I'm gonna remove it, edit, or make it smaller, maybe, you know. Make it smaller. I don't want it. There is no need for it. My website. And this one should be in the middle, a line. Okay. Explaining. Put it on the second line. Okay, I think that's better now. Update. Let's go to the mobile. Update. Yeah, this is much better. You know, there is no need to add the URL. So yeah, that's neater. So, but one more thing I want to do. I want to arrange the navigation. So what I'm gonna do, I want to add this workshop before the resources, before the contact, and before the about me. Or I think I might add it under the courses here. No, just let's leave it by itself, you know. Let's leave it by itself. Work with me, one-on-one coaching workshop. No, let's put it under work with me. I think it's better, you know. So, okay, so what we do, we go to the navigation, and since I decided that the workshop, I want it under the work with me main navigation tab here. So which has two tabs under it, 2 pages. So I'm gonna do this. It's very easy. So you go to the left side here. It says drag to move. So I click on it and I move it here. So, and I release it. And if you notice on the top, it got moved. So looking at under the work with me, it says workshop, one-on-one coaching session, done for you services. These I still have to update those, you know. I haven't updated those 2 pages. So let's put it on the top. So since it's workshop. Okay, so workshop, it's right here now. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna update website. Go back to the mobile. Same thing, update. That's it. And preview. Okay. I like this option where you can, it shows you exactly your how it looks like on a mobile, on a desktop while you're working on it, you know. This way you don't have to keep going to the internet, update and look. You can look here, but at the end you still have to look on the internet. So if we look here, this is the website on the internet. So so if I reload, okay. So now if you look, this is the home page, this is the main website, this is the courses. And if you, there's a delay. If you go to the work with me page, you go down to workshop, and this is gonna take you to this page /workshop here. And I think I'm gonna add the S at the end, workshops. It should be, it's better, you know. So and then this is the one-on-one coaching. I have to update this page. It says coming soon, and this one have to be updated, you know. But I haven't decided exactly about the service and the details of the service I wanna do, you know. This is the contact. This one has to be updated too. This is about me also. So as you notice, this website is in progress, you know. So this is the home. So let's adjust. Let me go back just to update the workshop to workshops. I just want to add S to it. So back to the and I'm gonna go to the navigation here. Going down, I click on this. So whenever you want to make a change in the on the pages and navigation, you go to the gearbox. So let's see, setting, and I want to add S here, and automatically it got added to the page there, you know. So get out of this, update again. All right, let's see. Preview workshop, it says here. It should say shops. Yeah, let me go back. I don't know why it still says shops. Oh, it's right here. Setting. Oh, I didn't save. That's what happened. So when you hit S, it's gonna change, but you have to save. So I didn't save it. That's why. Save. Save. And now it shows. So update. Preview. All right, now it says workshops. Click on it. Desktop, cell, workshops, but why it doesn't, it should be accessed. Preview, update. Okay, view site. Okay, now it worked. So I don't know if it took a couple seconds to activate or something to save, you know. So so that's it for this tutorial about adding a page without coding to using a website builder. And I used my website, georgekc.com, and it's right here now. So if you go live on the internet, you can see this page. So if you look here, I am on the internet now. And you see the workshop page, you click on it, you access it, it's right here. I think I still have to add some kind of picture or my a video of me here, you know, so people know who they're talking to or who they can attend the workshop and who's presenting. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, please submit them on a comment. And a good idea is to prepare the before you just start working on a website builder. This way, you know at least what text and what images and how you wanna arrange the elements on a web page. And this is why I used Google Docs, because it's a very simple page. But if it's more complicated, you might want to use other software, you know. So that's it for this video. I showed you how to create this page. And uh, speaking of this page and the event, this event is for a this page is for an event that I'm gonna host in 2 weeks. It's gonna be on Tuesday, March 19th at 7 p.m. US Central Standard Time. And this will be uh, about 90 minutes. So I'm gonna be presenting maybe in 60 minutes, and I allow questions later on, 15 to 20 minutes too. So, and it's only 10 US dollars. I made it very cheap so people cannot have any issues, you know, like affording it or something, because usually workshops and the live events are more expensive. So if you're interested, go to this page, the workshops that we just did right now, and click here on the spot. And once you click, you're gonna end up with this page here. On this page where it says ordering, you enter your name, your first and last name, and then you enter your email address and your payment information, and it's only $10 here. And once you save your seat, I'm gonna get an email, and having your email, then I will send you either. I'm gonna add the information where I'm gonna have it like the link, so you'll get it once you pay automatically. You'll get it by email, and if not, I can email you the later on the link to your email, because I'm gonna have it. So that's it for this video. Again, I want to thank you for attending, and if you are not here now and you see this in the future, uh, please add a comment or submit your questions. Thank you. And the stream and